Okay, so for this first exercise, your feet are shoulder width apart, your core is tight, your chest is tall. Roll those shoulders back, put those arms out to the side at a 90-degree angle. You want to lead with the elbows, bringing them together, rotating the weights toward your face, squeezing those muscles at the chest, and then opening up and pressing toward the ceiling, all the way up. Remember, keep that core tight. For tricep presses, feet are shoulder width apart, core is tight, chest is tall. You want to take that weight overhead. You want to ensure that you are keeping the elbows close to the face, and you're going to raise and lower the weight up and down. Bending only at the elbows, do not move the shoulders. For the lat lower, you want to have your feet shoulder width apart, core tight. Start position is with the arms raised. You're going to lower each arm individually towards the back of the body. You want to feel the work in the upper back. Keep that core tight throughout the entire exercise. Alternate those arms. Pull aparts. Start with the feet shoulder width apart, core tight, chest tall, tuck that pelvis forward slightly. Arms start at an elevated position parallel to the floor. Weights are facing each other. Pull those arms apart, open to the back, and then bring those back together. Keep the core tight the entire time. You should feel this in the upper back and back shoulders. Begin this exercise with feet together, knees bent, hinge forward at the waist, leaning almost parallel to the floor. Core is tight. Keep those elbows tucked to the side of the body and press those elbows back. Do not move the shoulders. Only movement is at the elbows. Core tight. Start with leaning your weight to one side, bend that standing knee. The other leg, you're going to have that foot off the floor. Only the toe is going to be tapping lightly throughout this exercise. Keep the core tight, arms are straight overhead. Bring the weight down to the knee and then release. When you are tapping that working leg down, do not shift your weight backwards, but keep your weight only at the toe. It's a very light tap. Place the weight between the thumb and the forefinger. Palms are facing up. You're going to overlap those arms. Your legs are straight, core is tight. You're going to keep that arm straight, moving at the shoulder, taking that weight all the way overhead, lightly tapping the floor with the weight, and then keeping that core tight to bring those arms back up to the top. Ladies, if you're looking for that bra strap area to get corrected, this is a great exercise to do just that. Keep that core tight. You're going to start with your knees on the floor. Make sure that your palms are flat on the floor. Arms are straight all the way down from the shoulder, elbow, and wrist. Keep the core tight. You're going to extend one leg and you're going to raise and lower that leg, keeping that leg straight with no bend. We've got to do that other side. So back in the same form that you were in before, be sure to point your toes throughout the entire exercise and make sure that you're keeping that core tight. Try not to roll the hip outward as you're lifting, but keep that hip in alignment with the rest of that leg so that you're raising that leg straight up.